Are you looking for the best dry bags? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best dry bags on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall dry bag. At this point, Yeti is a household name well known for making rugged and durable products. The Ponga Backpack 28 lives up to that reputation. Built from thick, laminated, high-density nylon with RF welded seams and a burly hydro-lock zipper, it's virtually impenetrable. Our lead tester, Sarah James, has a passion for river-based photography, and has this to say: when navigating rapids or enduring rainstorms, I trust the Ponga to keep water out, protecting even my most delicate camera gear. Wide, comfortable shoulder straps spread the load when carrying this portable pack, and an internal laptop sleeve and mesh pouch help keep your items where they need to be. The Ponga is at home, no matter your adventure style, lashed to your canoe through rapids, strapped on your back in a snowstorm, or in the urban jungle. If ultimate durability and peace of mind are your top priorities, the Ponga is hard to beat. Specifications: closure type hydro-lock zipper. Weight 1769 g, 62.4 ounces. Attachment points 12. Material laminated high-density nylon. Style backpack. Our testing proved the Ponga Backpack 28 impenetrable to water, even after an overnight soaking. However, its ultra-durable build and watertight design come at a price, 62.4 ounces, and a hefty cost. For a lighter alternative, the Seal Line Pro Zip Duffel offers a similar waterproof, zippered design and includes removable backpack straps. Number 2. Best bang for your buck. If you're on a budget and just want to keep your essentials dry and easily accessible, the Seal Line Discovery View is our first recommendation. It has a double-banded fold-down closure and a purge valve that allows you to burp the bag, or squeeze all the air out. The translucent non-PVC material makes identifying what's inside your bag a breeze, and it is also more durable than other options at a similar price. There are lighter options on the market, such as the C2 Summit Lightweight or REI Co-op Lightweight. However, these lack the purge valve for easy packing, and their thinner materials are not as durable. With fully welded seams and a durable buckle clip, the Discovery is designed for seriously wet day adventures without busting your wallet. Specifications: closure type dual strip roll top. Weight 193 g, 6.8 ounces. Attachment points: 1 plastic D-ring. Material PVC free 12 ounces polyurethane film body, 300 D 18 ounces polyurethane coated polyester bottom. Style dual strip fold down W/purge valve. Under intense pressure, i.e., a direct hose, a few water droplets can seep into this bag via the purge valve. It is also important to take a few extra seconds to ensure you have 3 wrinkle-free closing folds if you want to ensure the bag is watertight when dragged through a lake. With this little bit of attention to detail, this small capacity sack is seriously waterproof. I had the Discovery clipped to my SUP as we made our way through 5 miles of Class 3 to 4 rapids, and my spare layers and notebook stayed dry inside. If the purge valve gives you cause for concern, consider the watertight. Number 3. Best for multi-day adventures. Available in sizes ranging from 12L to 105L and sporting wide openings on all the bags, we think you could make one that fits your winter sleeping bag, tripod, yoga mat, and ukulele without any issue. With 4 multi-point attachment strips, a detachable shoulder strap, 2 large loop side handles, and a flat base stackable design, your friends will envy the ease with which you pack your gear and secure it for the next river day. Specifications: closure type true zip. Weight 1743 g, 61.5 ounces. Attachment points: 2 side handles, 1 removable shoulder strap, 10 fabric attachment points. Material 840 DTPU coated nylon. Style duffel. The DRI duffel's lack of compartments makes it hard to keep organized. I like supplementing this bag with some smaller stuff sacks to stay organized, our tester notes. A few carrying options are available thanks to multiple attachment points and versatile straps. When not in use, the side handles feel overly large and like they need some sort of management. A perk of this bag is the thick 840 denier heavy-duty TPU-coated nylon that will keep your things dry through most aquatic misadventures. If you are looking for something even more rugged, the Yeti Ponga Duffel 50 is made of an even thicker material and is just as waterproof. Number 4. Best convenient carry-on for your essentials. Constructed from rigid TPU, with RF welded seams, it is more robust than your average dry sack and is designed to be submersible at a depth of 1 meter for 30 minutes, IP67. It sports a removable strap that you can use to secure the bag around your waist or across your shoulder, making it well suited for river or urban adventures. There are lighter weight bags on the market, but few compete with the security and ease of use of this go-anywhere bag. At 1L capacity, this bag is not designed to carry much, but it is perfectly proportioned to carry your essentials, including phone, up to 3.6 x 6.8 x 0.6, keys, and a snack or a small tube of sunscreen. We particularly appreciate the internal and external clip-in points enabling you to secure your valuables, ready for any adventure. Our lead tester reported, it pairs perfectly with the Night Eyes hitch phone anchor, enabling me to comfortably take pictures and phone calls on the water, with no fears of losing my phone. For those who want to squeeze a bit more into their pack, Night Eyes makes a 3L run-off waterproof waist pack. Specifications. Closure type true zip. Weight N/A. Attachment points: 2 external attachment straps for waist/shoulder strap and 1X internal attachment point. Material TPU rated to IP67, with clear window at front at RF welded seams. True toothless zip. Strap is made from nylon webbing. Style hip pack. Number 5. Honorable mention budget bag. This roll top style has more features than other bags at this price as well, like 4 D-ring attachment points and multiple carry options. You can choose between the integrated handle or a removable shoulder carry strap. Lastly, we need our dry bags to be able to take a beating, whether from rapids, low-hanging branches on the river, or being tossed around in the back of the car on the way to the lake. The heavy PVC material on the Hita is a bit stiff and gets even stiffer in cool conditions, but it is the most robust dry bag we tested at this price point. It's not as waterproof or flexible as options like the REI Co-op Lightweight or the C2 Summit Lightweight, which are both made out of super light ripstop material with a polyurethane coating for waterproofing. However, it's worth noting that these other bags are meant to be used as part of a system, and the Hita can be used as a standalone dry bag. We also noticed the coating of ripstop bags wears off with heavy use, and the heavier PVC material of the Hita will maintain a more consistent level of waterproofing, however questionable that level is. The Hita can take an accidental dunk, but we don't trust it for prolonged submersion. Overall, for the weekend paddler who doesn't plan to take an unexpected swim, the Hita can offer some peace of mind. Specifications. Closure type roll top. Weight 28.3 g 1 ounce, 3L, 1.1 ounces, 5L, 1.4 ounces, 8L. Material Ultrazil 30D nylon. Style roll top, 3-pack.